Hey folks, it's Miriam here at CES 2019, and this is my Mate 20 Pro. And this over here is the Lapdock. And watch what happens when it gets plugged in. We're going to benefit from this thing called desktop mode in a second. There you go. Look at that. So now we have basically a laptop shell with a battery inside, 12,000 milliamp hour, keyboard and trackpad, and a 1080p display, which is, it looks like about 13 inches. So, you know, it's pretty thin, pretty light. It's got a bunch of ports, of course, USB-A's on both sides. You can see that here. And USB-A and headphone and micro SD on this side, but that's not really important. What's important is that right here now with the right device, in this case the Mate 20 Pro, or say like a Galaxy Note 9 or S9 Plus, you can use this to surf the web, right? Because now you have basically a laptop experience on a phone connected to basically a laptop dock. And so that's what's really, really exciting here, is that you carry this around and all the data stays on your phone, and you can just basically continue working from where you left off. You can also continue using your phone at the same time, right? So if I go in here and I hit the home button, I can now start, like, say, Google Photos at the same time on my phone, right? While the phone is also letting me use Chrome to browse the web. So that's actually what this is really cool about. You know, we've been all dreaming since even the days of the OQO about, you know, how we can have a compute experience on the go that doesn't, you know, where all the computing information stays on one device. And this is really kind of like this experience. So it's called the Lapdock. It's going to be available sometime in the next year, and you know, it's pretty cool. I'm hoping to see it come out. I'll keep you informed on the podcast and on social media about where this is available and if it's crowdfunded or something, and stay tuned for that. So remember, subscribe to this channel, like this video, tell your friends, and don't forget, mobiletechpodcast.com, we were there just a minute ago, is the podcast where I'll be talking about this. Hopefully I'll get a review unit at some point. Also, by the way, there is a webcam, which is really cool. All right, folks, more from CES 2019 shortly. Cheers, everybody.